This area really doesn't like having a mobile network, does it? It's crazy. I've got like the best, like one of the best mobile hotspots.
Yeah.
Things is going on 5G dongle, whatever it is. Still can't get good signal. And an omnidirectional antenna to boost the signal, and we still can't get good signal. I don't want to. There's no point going to Starlink because if we go through, you need a bit of both. I think satellite and 5G. It's good. So safe distance here. Look, under 40, you potentially could leave a 2-second gap, potentially. But obviously 3 seconds minimum is much better, okay? Usually if I'm doing over 40 or something like that, I will be 100% 3 seconds minimum. Under 40, 30, all that, I feel comfortable with a 2-second gap.
Yeah.
That's personal preference. But I will never, ever do a 2-second gap at higher speeds, ever. And a lot of people do still advocate for and promote the 2-second gap, which is not good. Like all the time. It's good. It's good. So what was hazardous about that?
Got a cyclist coming out on the right pretty fast.
What else? What was on the left?
Someone else waiting to cross.
It was a cyclist with two kids in the back.
Yeah.
Did you see that? Yeah. Look, she wasn't moving. It's just about noticing that. Well, what if she starts?
Yeah.
What if they want to come? What if they try to come out on us? Yeah. Highly vulnerable, so we've got to look out for them. When we get to the traffic light, we'll turn left. It's good. Try to be really smooth with your acceleration and braking with this, and put it in your head. Maybe you don't get through. Maybe you do. We'll see. Nice. Good. Good work. Excellent blind spot check. Double whammy as well. Good work on the position there. Did you see that?
Yeah.
You snaked it in. Nice. Check your light. Check your light. Good. Good. Keep moving. So you're braking there, right?
Yeah.
Almost to the point of coming to a stop. Not necessary. 50. Let's go. Mirror gas. Keep up the flow. Okay. Got an Uber driver behind you, mate. Look out. Toyota Camry as well. Oof. Just got to look out for the Camrys, the Rangers. There was a funny post on it's like a Facebook page called Something for Millennials or whatever, and they were talking about the average Australian driver when they see a learner driver and the way they start behaving. It's like this animal instinct comes out. It was hilarious. I'll share it. It was brilliant. And they mentioned Toyota Camrys, Rangers. I gotta have a laugh.
Yeah.
It's good.
Some people are nice.
Yeah, no, there are. Don't get me wrong. It's just, look, I'm on the roads every day, man. 10 hours, 12 hours a day. I see the worst of everyone. I see the worst. I see more bad than good.
Yeah.
I'm sorry. This is how it is. I see more bad than good. You only have to watch the videos, back the videos, to see it all. For the evidence. Or watch Dashcam Owners Australia. How is your visibility there on the left of the side street? That's okay.
Little.
Truck. There was a big truck. Yeah, it's alright. Just seeing if you noticed it. At the traffic light, turn left. That's good. Sneak it in. Sneak it in. Early, no problem. Much better. How could you? How many meters can you drive down a bike lane to get in another lane, to exit the road, to park, whatever? How many meters?
10 or 20?
50.
50.
50.
Okay.
Okay, that's okay. How about a bus lane? Think about buses are faster, cyclists are slower. So how many meters
Is a bus 20?
No.
It's more
Higher.
Okay, 100.
100%. So in the bike lane, you don't need as many meters. Do you know what I mean? Because the cyclists are a bit slower, so it's 50. Bus lane 100 metres because buses obviously are going a bit quicker. You've got more metres to travel down the bus lane. You're going quicker as well, so on and so forth. Who do you need to give way to here?
All of these people going across, they're waiting for the tram, but anyone crossing the road.
Good. When you get the green solid light, where and how are you going to position the vehicle to protect the pedestrians?
I can move up to just before the crossing.
Yep. Should you turn and aim at them?
No. Better not.
Not at a turn like this, at a corner like this. Good. Yep. Oh, they're on the red.
Good.
Yeah, he's gone anyway. It's weird. I thought they're not push it. Good. It's good. Before turning left, did you check?
Yeah, I had another look.
Excellent. Yeah, because I was looking, I didn't see you check, so that's why I clarify and ask you. I trust that you did. Could always watch back over the stream, over the video, for the evidence.
Yeah, I do need to check. I feel like I'm checking.
Yeah, that's okay. Just have a look back over it.
Yeah.
Look, again, we've got two sets of eyes at the moment while you're learning. It's your first day back at the job, right? And you haven't driven for a couple of weeks, so it's okay to miss a few. For you to miss a few here and there, it's up to me to be onto it. Is it worth going around? Can you fit?
I can fit. It's a bit tight.
It's a bit tight. Just chill. What's the point? We're not going to get far. We're not going to get far. Exactly. It's not worth it. Always ask that first question. Is it worth it?
Yeah.
Can I fit? At the next end of the street, turn left. So, what do you need to do? Yeah, good. It's good. You can be a bit smoother with your speed. Don't feel like you need to go jump in or jerk the wheel really aggressively. It's all good. Cool. Give way or stop. Let's just come to the white line and stop. Yeah, white solid line. Stop. Give way. Good, and then commit. Maybe you're not at the corner yet. There you go. Sharp. Careful. Just chill for a sec. Chill. Give yourself space. If you don't have space, you can't see up the road. How's it looking up the road?
I'm still blocked by the bus.
Okay, cool. That's fine.
I can
just
see.
wait.
Okay.
Yeah, there's also a keep clear solid line there. Just no point. Just wait.
I'm about to go anyway.
Yeah, good. Excellent. On entry, new road. What are we looking for? Immediately.
50.
What else do we check?
Yeah,
Mirror.
review was behind me.
Yeah, awareness of surroundings. Excellent. So that was good. We just why did I say give yourself space?
Bus could be there for a long time.
Yeah, and you're pushing it too close. It's harder to get around. You destroy your visibility, so on and so forth. All right. Once again, try to figure this out. Slow down. Give yourself time to think. Okay, can you get past safely?
Yes.
Yep,
Do I need to signal for this one?
Look, technically we should. We're going to the wrong side and you should be looking. You're not looking. Yeah, okay. So you're going to the wrong side. It's an overtake, right? Okay, figure this one out. Could we be assertive? Oh, all right, cool. You've done it now. Can they fit past though? You're not... have a look in your right mirror. Okay, cool. So again, slow down, getting onto it early. Personally, I just would have been assertive there. They were further away, and you were...
I could feel they were kind of hanging on as well.
they were. So that's all right. It's fine to make that mistake.
Should have gone for it.
That's all good. Also, it's one car versus... Look how many are behind us, right?
Yeah, bus.
Yeah, it's all right. See what happens. Bus realistically should wait, but they won't. All right. Is there a space for you to move up? They're pulling over. Let's see.
Stop.
Where's the bus stop?
Okay,
come over more. Good. Oh my god, let's go. Checking mirrors, blind spot. Good. And there again, you need your signal. Is what it is. I mean, look behind you, alright? So many. This car needs to do that. Check your left mirror. No blind spot. Next street, turn right. Thank you. Ridiculous.
Back up a long way.
They're telling you to go, right? Moving, turning. So, don't go because they're saying to go. Check and see that it is safe to go. Yeah. Then do it, then wait. Which you pretty much did, right? But they were doing this. They're like, go. They're assuming responsibility, and we haven't even looked if it's safe to actually turn.
Yeah.
Hello from Melbourne, Australia. We've got someone in from Korea.
Wow.
Welcome to the tight streets of Melbourne, the tiny little spaces that we've got to drive through. That was an interesting one. Hopefully it recorded. I can go back over it. I think it did.
Yeah.
We're on Mitchell. We'll go straight for now. Good. And we'll come back around and see if there's a parking spot. Think about your signal. Good. See, you forget it though because we haven't been doing it for a bit. Remember before we were rinsing and repeating it a fair bit?
Pretty much.
Yeah. At the roundabout, take the first exit. Good. See? Great work. 100%? Yeah? Okay. Good. And then you got to check again, right? When you that practicing, especially when we're in Carlton, there are cyclists everywhere. All the time.
Yeah.
Okay. At the end of the street, turn left and into the right lane. Good. And what is this? Oh, you remember this N40 area?
It's not the new
Still
one.
40. Yeah. That's good. Space. Not too close. Good. Excellent. Good. And we'll chat about that bus situation when we get back.
Yeah.
Have a quick one about it. That's fine. They've done it right. And you're not going anywhere. Cool. That's good. Could you move up a wee bit? Yeah, oh mate,
I can, but I'm being generous.
Okay, cool. That's fine. There's no one behind, is there? Mate? Yeah, don't rush it. It's fine. You've done it. Committed.
Yeah.
Good.
I just see the tram coming.
Tram's slowing anyway,
Yeah.
indicating like it's totally.
Stop
That was the
next
right
to
thing to do. Next
But my
straight
brain
turn
is just
to
telling me
left.
like get on it because
Yeah.
the tram is appearing.
Yeah, but but not. You don't have to go. You don't have to rush it. That was great. You didn't rush it at all. You got onto it smoothly, safely. Done. Easy and across. Cool. There you go. Do you have to give way to him?
If he was crossing, yeah.
Yeah, before turning because you're not aiming at them. Good. Cool. There was a spot further up the road behind Hyundai. Sorry, I don't know if you know, with a vehicle.
Silver one?
Right up the end there.
Oh, okay.
Or even the silver one. Yeah, go for it. Go for it. Just pull in behind it, forward parallel if you can, and then we can have a chat. Nice and earlier. Yep, and diagonal, slower. Remember, if you're going too fast and you do hit the curb, it's going to be rough.
Yep.
Check your left mirror. Could you go closer? You can put it down if you want. I can see you can put it down. Put it down. Go for it. Left signal on when possible, please. Cool. Yep. That's good.